Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make vegetable chicken stir fry. I'm sure you love it. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel for more cooking and craft tutorials that I'll be sharing. You can find the recipes for this tutorial in the description box below. You can also add or subtract to suit your preference. So this is the chicken breast that I have cut. I have my seasonings. I have green onion, carrots, and Scotch bonnet pepper. I have mushrooms. I'll be adding in soy sauce. I have garlic powder. I have salt to taste. I also have honey, and I have green pepper and celery. So right away, I'll go to seasoning my chicken. You can find the list of my seasoning in the description box below, and you also can add or subtract as you like. I'll mix in well and leave to marinate for about an hour. I'll be using a non-sticky pan which I have put on the cooker and set to high. As you can see, I have added in 1 spoon of oil, and now I'm spreading the chicken across the pan. I'll be turning over the chicken over and over to prevent it from burning. I have fried for over 3 minutes now, and the chicken is a bit brown in color, so I am scooping. As you can see, I have added in 2 spoons of oil. Now I am putting in the onions to start frying. I'll be stirring in for about 1 minute, then bringing in the Scotch bonnet pepper and the celery. After frying for another 1 minute, I'll be bringing in the green pepper. Next, I will be doing is to grate in the garlic. Keep stirring and stirring. Now I'm going to add in the rest of my vegetables. After stirring for about 1 minute now, I'm going to add in the curry and the thyme. Next, I will be adding is the soy sauce. So I've added in 2 spoons of soy sauce. You can add or subtract to suit your taste. I'm now going to be adding the mushroom to continue stirring. We're almost there, guys. I have added 2 spoons of honey. You can add more if you like more of the honey taste. That's it, guys. Your vegetable chicken stir fry is ready. You can eat with rice, potatoes, spag, and any other meal of your choice. Enjoy! So Here I have served with brown rice, and I've also tried with moi moi. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Bye.